This week on Dak and Jew, we are making one of our favorite things to eat on the side of any meal or in any salad you make, pickled onion.
Everyone should know how to do a quick pickle, and especially if something is so simple as a red onion. So first, Julie's just gonna really thinly slice a whole red onion.
That pop of color is just like, big onions.
They're definitely beautiful. They also add a really nice tang to anything you're eating. So I love them on things like hashes, egg dishes, or like fatty bean bowls. They also have that great onion flavor, but they take away a little bit of the potency of a red onion. So if you're not a raw red onion fan, you may love just like a quick pickle.
You could use a mason jar, you could use a glass Pyrex, whatever.
So then we're gonna add a half a cup of red wine vinegar. You could use white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Then we're gonna add about a cup of boiling water. Use this to push it down a little. But what the hot water does is it helps soften the red onion. It cooks it slightly, takes a little bit of that sharp kick away.
Dakota's adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then we are also going to add a teaspoon and a half of kosher salt.
So that's it. Julie was saying earlier, and I think this was a really good idea, that you can also add other aromatics like black peppercorns or
Coriander, a dry little chili.
So we're gonna let these sit for at least an hour, and then we're just gonna keep them in our fridge and top something tasty with it.